These are single arm cable curls, okay? Extremely simple. The same as a normal cable curl with a bar, but you use one hand. Just like that. Curling the weight up, down nice and slow. Curling the weight up, down nice and slow, okay? You wanna make sure that you're not too far back because it's gonna mess up the resistance curve. You wanna make sure that you're not too far over or forward or you're right in front of it. Roughly sort of here, and you curl the weight up to there, down nice and slow, back up again, down nice and slow. Not all the way down to the bottom as you'll notice, because if I go to here, I'll lose tension. Not all the way to the top, all the way up here where I'm kind of relaxing because I don't have quite as much tension. I have a bit more than with a dumbbell because of the way the cable pulls forward, but still not ideal. Slow tempo when I'm doing it, just like that. Single arm cable curls. They are a wee bit better for some people than the bar, because the bar, because it's a fixed implement, can aggravate people's wrists and elbows a little bit. So if you swap over to a single arm variation when a bar is hurting you, you'll find that the pain tends to go away because your hand and elbow can rotate more in their natural path where they're actually set up in terms of anatomy, okay? So that's a single arm curl.